We understand how the difficult economic environment has affected auto repair businesses. As the average consumer's disposable income dwindles, many are taking on do-it-yourself projects instead of driving to their local auto repair shop. In response, many auto shop owners have reduced prices and profit margins to remain competitive. Our goal is to provide you with auto repair shop loans and body shop loans so that your shop can secure its fair share of the $58 billion auto repair industry.
Whether you require auto repair shop loans for a quick boost in cash flow to assist with everyday business expenses, or a larger infusion of capital for significant upgrades to your auto shop, you may qualify for $4,000 to $1 million in as few as 2 business days. With our auto shop financing options, which include small business loans and business cash advances, you can address the unique needs of your automotive repair business.